Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a video in IGTV. If you made a mistake and you need to pull one down, I made a mistake actually on my first video. I need to re-edit it and put it back on there. So today I'll show you how to do that. First thing you're going to want to do, there's two ways into IGTV. One is through your Instagram app and one is the IGTV app itself. So in your Instagram, up here in the top right, there's your IGTV logo. And then otherwise you can just go into the IGTV app itself. So let's do that. Once IGTV loads up, you're going to want to click on your little icon, your logo there, and load up your page. And then you're going to want to click on the video that you're trying to delete. So that's the one. That video will start playing. From there, we need to swipe down on the screen and get rid of all the words that are on the screen. So we're going to do that. And when you tap on the screen, there's down at the bottom, there's three dots. They keep disappearing. So they're right about in this area. I'll tap on the screen here and you can see them there. So we're going to want to click on those. And up on the screen, you'll see delete will come up here. That's what we're going to be clicking on. So we click delete. And then it says you won't be able to see this video anymore. And we just want to click delete over here and that will delete the video, and it's deleting. And that should be it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please remember to give me a like down below and also subscribe because I've got plenty of videos coming up. Thanks again for watching and take care.